Do you ever tell yourself you'll start really living once you figure yourself out? Once you're healed, once you're better, once you've done enough work on yourself. Maybe you're reading the books, going to therapy, meditating, trying to grow, but it still feels like you're waiting for some moment when it finally clicks, when you finally arrive at the version of you that's ready to be present, ready to love fully, ready to actually live instead of just preparing to live. But what if that moment never comes? Not because you're failing, but because you're looking for something that doesn't exist. Heijōshin Kore Dō. Ordinary mind is the way. It's an ancient Zen teaching, and it says something that might sound too simple to be true. A monk once asked a Zen master named Jiaozhou, "What is the way?" And Jiaozhou answered, "Ordinary mind is the way." The monk was confused. He asked, "Should I try to direct myself toward it?" And Jiaozhou said, "If you try to direct yourself toward it, you go away from it." Do you see the paradox? The very effort to reach it takes you further from it. The striving to become spiritual is what keeps you from the way. In another conversation, a student asked Jiaozhou the same question: "What is the way?" Jiaozhou asked him, "Did you eat your breakfast?" The student said, "Yes." Jiaozhou said, "Then go wash your bowl." That was the whole teaching. Not meditate on the nature of breakfast, not contemplate the impermanence of the bowl, just go wash your bowl. Because the way isn't somewhere else. It's not in the future when you're finally ready. It's not in some elevated spiritual state. The way is here, in the ordinary activity of washing your bowl. Heijōshin means ordinary mind, not a special mind, not an enlightened mind you have to earn. Just the calm, stable presence you bring to everyday life. Making coffee, washing dishes, walking to your car, sitting in traffic. These aren't the things you do while waiting for your real life to start. This is your real life. And I know this can sound disappointing at first. We want the way to be more than this. We want it to feel profound, sacred, transformative. We think, if I just meditate enough, read enough, heal enough, then I'll finally access that special state where everything makes sense. But Heijōshin Kore Dō says, you're missing it. Because you're treating your ordinary life as the waiting room and enlightenment as the appointment. But there is no appointment. This moment, right here, doing nothing special, this is it. Now, this doesn't mean stop growing. It doesn't mean never meditate or read or seek help. But it does mean stop treating those things as the path to becoming someone else. Because the better you're working toward, the ready version, the one who's finally healed enough to be present, that person doesn't exist. Not because you failed to become them, but because this version of you, right now, ordinary and imperfect, is already complete. You're not practicing for life. This is the performance. You're not preparing to be present. This ordinary morning is the moment. And yes, your ordinary mind is also full of thoughts, distractions, worries. The teaching isn't about having a perfectly still mind. It's about bringing a calm, stable presence to the midst of the ordinary. Not waiting until your mind is perfect to finally live, but living, even with the imperfect mind you have right now. We spend so much time waiting to be healed enough, brave enough, awake enough. We think, when I'm finally ready, then I'll be kind to myself, show up for the people I love, stop rushing through my days, actually taste my food, actually hear what people are saying, actually be here. But Heijōshin whispers, what if you don't need to be ready? What if this version of you, the one washing the bowl right now, is the one who's awake? The great Zen master Dogen said, to study the way is to study the self. To study the self is to forget the self. Maybe that's what Heijōshin is asking. Stop studying yourself so much. Stop trying to become someone. And just wash your bowl. Before you go back to planning your transformation, before you add one more thing to your self-improvement list, take one breath. Notice what you're doing right now. Listening to these words, breathing, being. This ordinary moment, this unremarkable activity. You don't need to make it special. You don't need to be anywhere else. The way isn't waiting for you to arrive. You're already on it. Heijōshin Kore Dō. Ordinary mind is the way. And right now, listening to these words, breathing, you're already doing it.